Right now it is Wednesday, August 6th, and I'm gonna hit 100K today! I started this channel 4 years ago while in uni. During COVID, I was depressed out of my mind, lonely, and honestly just looking for a win. Growing up, I never believed in myself the way that I should have. I always thought I had to do the safe route, be the good girl, get the degree, get the safe job. I never even let myself imagine that I could be something else. I'm not gonna lie, I did not see this coming. I spent so long uploading video after video, praying that something would happen, that a video would blow up, and feeling so discouraged every time my video would get like 200 views. And then out of nowhere, my hygiene video pops off. Do you know what I was doing the night before? I was crying myself to sleep thinking about how nobody watches my videos. It's crazy how everything just changes. Hello, baby. No, she's been sleeping here all day. You're just a sleepy girl. This is Ophi, if you guys don't know, short for Ophelia. We are so close. We are currently at 99995. Oh my god, I feel so like giddy right now, and I'm so happy and I'm feeling so grateful. Oh my god, 100,000 subscribers. It's so surreal actually seeing the number. As if the timing couldn't be better, my boyfriend walks in with a bouquet of roses and balloons. He was so busy that day but made it just in time. It was the cutest thing ever. Thank you.
I'm so proud of you.
I am gonna do my unboxing for you guys. I just got this in the mail. I just can't believe this is real. Like, it's so crazy. Oh my god. The classic letter. This is just so surreal. Oh my god. You guys, that's my name. How crazy is that? I just genuinely never thought I'd get my hands on this. I just want to stare at this for the rest of the night. Of course, my best friends were not about to let me celebrate quietly. No, they dragged me to the beach on the windiest day of the year to take Instagram photos. There was sand in my hair, sand in my camera, sand in literally every crevice. My friends are real ones for sticking through that, because I think we took pictures for like an hour straight. And then we were just filming TikToks in the water, being silly. We got ice cream after, we went to dinner. I think we watched Love Island that evening, and it was just a really amazing day.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Can I hold it?
There's sand on it. This milestone means everything to me. You guys mean everything. Reading your comments is literally the best part of my day. Knowing that I've helped someone with a tip or even just kept them company through the day with my video, literally it makes me so happy to think about, makes my day. It makes all of the hard parts of this job worth it. So yeah, 100K, we did it. Trust me, this is only the beginning, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.